So, hello, hi. My name is Rani Ahmad. This is a chat we had from before about whether we can use the or update whether the firmware of the iLO and yada yada using the SPP of HP server Proliant ML350. And the server that I have is Generation 9, whereas the file of SPP, the latest update, which is this one. Let's see. Documents. Okay. HP drivers. Okay, SPP. So I have had this one. Okay, this one. This is the one that's supposed to be for a latest update. Well, it says this is from like 2020 month of March. Anyway, so it says that it's made for generation 10 and above, and when I asked on the chat, they said that the employee there told me that it works for generation 9 too. Okay, so this is meant as announced on the HP website for generation 10 and above, whereas the employee told me that it can work too for generation 9. Now I'm gonna go and reboot the server, and we're going to show you what error that I have. Okay. I'm going to read the input.iso file of SPP. Okay, and here's a virtual drive. Okay, where's the disk documents? Let's see recent used, which is this one. Okay, open. Now here it will appear, of course. I'm gonna say cancel here inside the server. I'm gonna system shut down and reboot. So we reach a point when it's because I intentionally I'm recording everything just to show everything from the start without losing any frame, any picture in the video. So okay, so we'll wait until it boots on F10. And we select the drive. Now this is a way also for those who want to update their iLO, but iLO integrated lights out. But to me, I did not proceed with it because I'm afraid that the server will not boot. Although the employee told me it works, but no, I'm not. This is a production server anyway. Okay, so 11. Okay, F11. Okay, I think you're hearing the sound of the fans. Now here, this is the virtual USB to iLO. Go and select it and boot. Okay. Automatic firmware update, of course. Okay. Press enter. Okay. The SPP is, by the way, just a live CD. Okay. Now what's being said here to RAM disk, what will happen is that it will copy things from your ISO file into the SPP ISO file into you register in the, or you take a partition from the RAM, you want to say, and convert it to a disk. Okay, so that's why they call it the RAM disk, for those who don't know. Okay, it will act very similarly to, and it will resemble very much the function of the hard disk. Okay. Now it takes long because I'm using the network here, and you can see here it's uploading. It just from here now, you see that's sending to the server. Once it stops sending, okay, the speed goes down, of course. See, and such a high speed is just because it's an internal it's an internal thing. Okay. See, it mentions generation 10, Gen 10 service pack, whereas I have a Gen 9 on my server. Okay, just for you to make sure. Okay, see, it's Gen 9. And here, just to zoom it for you, it's just, if you can't read it, see, it's the Gen 9. So you'll get a warning while trying to update the iLO, okay, after the analysis. Now my silence is just because there's nothing I can comment on. I just want you to watch, okay? See, this is the selected failure baseline is not supported for the given server. It's not recommended to continue with updates using this baseline. Please select a different supported baseline from for this server. Okay. To proceed with updates using this baseline on your disk, please select ignore warnings option. So I'm not gonna do that. Okay. So I myself don't know what baseline I must use. If I will start over. And see abort. I'll say abort. Not start over and take it manually. I don't know. I'm just gonna go proceed with this. Okay. I wanna abort it. So abort. Exit. Let's see whether I can do something on the manual method. Although this says like it's not for. Gen9. Okay, the system's a reboot. Okay, system reboots. I'm through with that. Okay, so that's all. Okay, I'm not gonna risk it. Okay, that's it. Okay, but like you can do this if you have generation 10. Okay, don't do this for generation 9 as long as they are recommending you not to do it. Okay. And that's it. Okay, so the system will boot normally as usual, and as long as you did not made any changes. Okay. Anyway, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.